When you first walk up to the 2026 BYD Sealion 7, the first thing that hits you is how futuristic yet calm the design feels. It doesn't scream for attention like some aggressive SUVs, but it quietly pulls you in with its clean lines and modern electric identity. You can tell right away this is not just another SUV, this is something built for the future. Standing in front of it, the face looks very sleek and aerodynamic. There is no traditional grille like you see on petrol cars, because this is fully electric. Instead, you get a smooth, closed-off front panel that improves airflow and efficiency. The LED headlights are sharp, thin, and slightly stretched toward the sides, giving the car a wide and confident look. As the lights turn on, you notice the signature LED strip that runs across the front. It gives the Sealion 7 a very premium presence, especially at night. The front bumper is sculpted in a way that balances sportiness and elegance. It's not overly aggressive, but it still feels powerful. Now, as you slowly move toward the side, the proportions really start to stand out. This SUV has a coupe-like silhouette, slightly sloping toward the rear, which makes it look fast even when it's standing still. The body lines are smooth and flowing, unlike boxy off-road vehicles. Everything here is about efficiency and design harmony. The glossy paint finish reflects light beautifully, especially under sunlight. Colors like deep ocean blue, pearl white, and metallic gray really enhance the premium feel. The door handles are flush with the body, popping out only when needed, which adds both style and aerodynamics. The wheels are large, likely around 19 to 21 inches, depending on the variant, and they feature a modern aerodynamic design. These are not just for looks, they are designed to reduce drag and improve range. Moving to the rear, the design becomes even more striking. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the back, creating a very futuristic signature. The rear is clean, minimal, and well-balanced. There are no exhaust pipes, of course, because it's electric, and that makes the design even cleaner. Now open the door and step inside, and the entire experience shifts into a more premium and high-tech environment. The cabin feels open, airy, and very modern. The first thing you notice is the large central touchscreen, which is one of the main highlights of BYD vehicles. It's big, responsive, and in some versions, it can even rotate between landscape and portrait mode. The dashboard is minimal, with very few physical buttons. Everything is integrated into the digital system. Soft-touch materials are used throughout, and in higher trims. You get leather upholstery with elegant stitching when you sit in the driver's seat. The position feels comfortable and slightly elevated, giving you a clear view of the road. The steering wheel is modern, with a flat bottom design and some variants, adding a sporty touch. Behind the wheel, you get a fully digital instrument cluster that shows speed, battery-level navigation, and driving data in a very clean layout. Everything feels intuitive and easy to understand. The seats are one of the strongest points of the interior. They are wide, supportive, and designed for long journeys. In higher trims, you get features like ventilation, heating, and even memory settings. The rear seats offer generous legroom and headroom, making it a great family SUV. Now let's talk about technology, because this is where the Sealion 7 really shines. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. You can control almost everything from the screen, including climate, driving modes, and navigation. There is also a premium sound system, ambient lighting, wireless charging, and multiple USB ports throughout the cabin. It feels like a complete digital ecosystem rather than just a car interior. Safety is another strong area. The Sealion 7 is expected to come with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features work together to make driving safer and more relaxed. Now let's talk about performance, which is very different from traditional SUVs. Because this is an electric vehicle, the power delivery is instant. The moment you press the accelerator, the car responds immediately. There is no delay, no gear shifts, just smooth and continuous acceleration. Depending on the variant, the Sealion 7 may come with single-motor rear-wheel drive or dual-motor all-wheel drive setups. The dual-motor version will offer stronger acceleration and better traction, especially in slippery conditions. The battery capacity is expected to be quite strong, giving a range suitable for daily driving as well as long trips. Charging options will include fast charging, allowing you to recharge a significant percentage of the battery in a short time. When driving in the city, the Sealion 7 feels extremely smooth and quiet. There is almost no engine noise, just a soft electric hum. The steering is light, making it easy to maneuver in traffic. On the highway, the SUV feels stable and planted. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, helps improve handling and stability. It feels confident, even at higher speeds. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven roads effectively. It's not a hardcore off-roader, but it handles urban roads and highways beautifully. Driving modes allow you to adjust the behavior of the vehicle. You can switch between Eco, Normal, and Sport modes, depending on your preference. Eco mode focuses on efficiency, while Sport mode gives you quicker acceleration. Now, coming to the price, the 2026 BYD Sealion 7 is expected to be positioned in the mid to premium electric SUV segment. The exact price will vary depending on the market, battery size, and features. In international markets, it could fall somewhere between affordable EVs and luxury electric SUVs. In regions like Pakistan, pricing will depend heavily on import duties and taxes, which could make it more expensive. But globally, BYD is known for offering strong value for money. So, the Sealion 7 is expected to be competitive. And that brings us to the overall feeling of this vehicle. The Sealion 7 is not trying to be an off-road beast like traditional SUVs. Instead, it focuses on being a modern, efficient, stylish, and technology-driven electric SUV. It's built for people who want a clean, quiet, and futuristic driving experience without sacrificing comfort or practicality. It feels like a glimpse into where the automotive world is heading. Less noise, more technology, better efficiency, and a smoother driving experience. And honestly, once you spend time with something like this, it becomes very hard to go back to traditional petrol vehicles. This is not just a car, it's a shift in mindset, a move toward a smarter, cleaner, and more connected future of driving.
Thought